Ever avoided saying a word because you were not sure if it was jalapeno or jalapeno? Or stopped before saying entrepreneur because you didn't want to mess it up? You're not alone. Most of us have done this at work, in interviews, even on dates. Hi, my name is Rahil Zafar. I'm a CELTA certified pronunciation coach and I've helped thousands of professionals and students sound clearer and sharp and do it all without faking an accent. Here's the thing, it's not your grammar, it's not even your vocabulary, it's pronunciation. That's what's holding you back. Why? Because most of us were trained to read and write English, not speak it. School taught us silent letters and some rules, but not stress, intonation, rhythm, or actual sounds. And no, you don't need to sound American or British. You just need to be understood. That's powerful enough. That's exactly what we'll fix in my 2-day pronunciation mastery workshop. You will learn to speak clearly, deliver your message confidently, and most importantly, correct yourself on the spot without anyone noticing. We'll use practical tools like the International Phonemic Alphabet and my sandwich method so you know exactly where your mouth, your tongue, and your voice should be every time you speak. And yes, it's easy. These are tools you will use for life. So, if you've been playing it safe in conversations, or if you've been nodding instead of speaking up, it's time to change that. Seats are limited, book your spot now, and let's make sure you sound sharp and feel confident every time you talk. See you soon in my workshop.